I'm going to mark out part number 7 now. I'm going to pick, this is datum side 1, this is 2, and I've already checked that that corner is perfectly square. The reason I'm picking those two sides is this is all straight here, this is straight, these don't have any straight edges. So we'll start at the bottom doing the holes. So there's two ways you can do it. You can measure up 5 at the side here by lining up 5 on both sides of the ruler, draw a little line, and do the same on this side. And join them. Or you can just get your tri-square and mark across. The reason I do the ruler all the way across is just in case the tri-square rocks or anything. The first hole, this one is in 13 from side 2. So we'll get the ruler again. Take your time, line it up 13, bottom and top of the ruler. Put your finger down, line at the end of the ruler. There's the first mark. I like to just put a little push in the tri-square. So that is there. Okay. 13 plus 40 is 53. 53 at the edge of the workpiece, top and bottom of the ruler. We'll mark. 13 plus 40 plus 45 is 98. 98 top and bottom of the ruler. Plus another 20 is 118. Now we should have 10 left over, so it should be 128 altogether. That is fairly spot on. There's all the holes here. For this point, this is radius 10, so it's 10 from there to there, which is also 10 from there to there, and it's dead in line with that hole. So this time I will get my tri-square. Bring that line up a little bit more. Measure up 10. 10 on both sides of the ruler. Line across. That'll give me that little bit of a round there. Then divider. One leg at the 10 mark, one leg at the end. Leg is divider here. Spin the curve. Now for the side. So the first little bit I'm going to mark is this one. So there's going to be a hole. It says radius 3, so we're going to drill it size 6. So it's up 13, and the distance in from the side is 6 plus 3, which is 9. So up 13, I'm going to set 13 on both sides of the ruler. And in 9, that one. Just go back and mark these so you can see it better on the camera. Next I'm going to try find this mark. So it's 13 plus 20 is 33. And it's in 15 from the side because that arrow is pointing there. So it's in 15 from the side. So up 33. Take your time with this always. And then 15. There's that mark. Okay. if we want to mark this little straight edge here, it's going to be 13 plus 20, which is 33, plus 9, which is 42 millimeters high. It's going to be in a little bit further than that last mark I made. So there's the top of that, and then 42, take away 3, is 39. That's what we need for that little mark. So 39, then a bit more over to the left. Both sides of the ruler, so 39 there, 39 there. Okay. Now we don't actually know how far that is in from the side, so we're going to have to wait. Now we're going to have to work it out a little bit more as to how we're going to get that mark. So you can look, you have that 60-degree line there. So it's 60 degrees from the center of this hole. So if we get our engineer's protractor, now we'll set it to 60 degrees. So I'll have that little mark just lined to 60 degrees there. Put it down in our workpiece, over to that hole. So that is where that hole's going to be drilled. Right there. So when we drill the hole, I should just push off that nicely. For this part here, we need a radius 9 curve, and we also need a radius 15 curve. So 9 I'll do first. So 1 point on the line, 1 point on the edge of the ruler. And 15. One point on 15, 1 point to the edge. And now we need another straight line from that point all the way up to the top for a piece. So again, I'm going to get my tri-square. Up there. So this point is at 33. That means this point is at 48. 33 plus 15 is 48. So we need to add another 5 millimeters, which is going to be 53. So this point is going to be this point here. So we're up 13 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 to give us 53. Okay, make another little mark for this here, so it's another 5, which is 58. And then another 3 millimeters. Need to add on this little bit, which is going to be 61. So it's going to be the center of the radius 3, center of the radius 5. So if we draw the two of those now, radius 5 first. So I'll take this down. Radius 5. Radius 3. tidy up this bit with my tri-square as well. So from the edge of that curve you're going to do a straight line down. At that point you're going to have a hole here. We'll have to mark that out later. So to tidy up this end here now, from that point we need a 60-degree line up to a height of 42. So I'm going to draw a 60-degree line first. First I'm going to bring out that 10mm mark right at the edge. So that is where the 60-degree line has to go from. So I need to change this now to 60 degrees in the other direction. Bottom of my workpiece. Slide it over. 60 degrees. Up to a height of a little flat piece here. So 42 on both sides of the ruler, so 42 there, 42 there. And just bring that over a little bit more. That line has to be marked at a distance of 20. So I'm going to put the 20 mark right at the edge. So this point here on my workpiece, put a little mark there. And then we'll get the tri-square and draw it straight up again. So that's the point there. Another 60-degree line up for a height of 6mm, so very short. So 42 plus 6 is 48. That's that piece there, at that point. And then you have to join this point to the top of your little radius 6 curve as a tangent. So now we have the top of my curve here. Actually, I want to draw that a little bit better into a full circle. So I'll be able to pick it as a tangent. So I'll have that drawn going from here now, all the way around. So I need a tangent between that point and there. Okay. So the only thing we've left is a tangent between these two holes. So you're going to do is you're going to drill this size 6, this size 6. You're going to drill this one size 10 because it's radius 5, so it's 10 from that side to that side. You're going to drill this, this and this, radius 3.5. And the last thing we need to do is, after we have all those drawn, so here's the piece. With that drill 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 6, 6, 6, and 10. So now we can get these two holes, line up the edges, and draw a line as a tangent. Because that's what is needed there, a tangent. And also for this little slot here, you can get your tri-square on the bottom. Draw a line straight down, straight down. So that's the workpiece fully marked out. And then all I have to do is remove all the material. So And you can maybe drill another hole in here big enough to take a junior hacksaw blade and cut down towards the edge there, cut across there and cut that bit out. And then that's your piece done.